Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Well, I've been shopping. I live really close to Walmart and I find it very convenient because my local Walmart has quilting and sewing supplies. So I'm going to show you some goodies that I bought that will be in future videos. Plus, I have a little extra. I went shopping at the Sewing and Quilting Center and bought some gorgeous fabric, and I'm going to be making that into a table runner. Plus, I'm going to show you a little gift a friend of mine gave me. So let's get started. I've been getting back into cross stitch and I've been putting videos together on how to do basic cross stitch patterns. And so Walmart has Aida cloth, and that's the cloth that you do your cross stitch on. And they have various counts of it, anywhere from 11 to 14 count, and they carry it in the white and in the kind of darker beige if you want more of an old-fashioned look. So I bought a couple of those. These are really reasonably priced. Oh, and I love to decorate towels. So Walmart got these cute little towels in. This one says, "But first, coffee," and that's me. Every morning I want my coffee and I just, I live for that moment when I can have my first sip of coffee. And then I found one more towel. Now, I don't drink alcohol. It's mostly because my husband's allergic to it, so I just don't drink it. But I do have friends who love their wine, and I saw this cute towel and I can decorate it and embellish it and give it to them as a gift. So I plan on embellishing both of these towels in videos. So these were $1.96 a piece, so that was a real bargain. Also, here is some yarn. This is called Peaches and Cream, and I'm going to be showing you how to tie a quilt. So I bought this inexpensive skein of yarn at Walmart. So they do have a section where they sell a variety of yarns at very reasonable prices. I was checking out the clearance table and I was able to get these ribbons at a really inexpensive price. Because as you know, lace ribbons and your other ribbons are very expensive. But Walmart has them really reasonably priced, and even better when they're marked down and in the clearance table. So let me see what else I got here. Oh yeah, okay, for cross stitch, I already packed away all of my little, I forget what you call these, bobbins and rings. You put your floss, your embroidery floss on these, and I have a bunch of them, but they're already packed away because we're going to be moving and I couldn't remember what box they were in. So I bought this little small package because my embroidery floss is getting out of control again. It's just all over the room. And this comes with a little ring so you can keep it all organized that way. And then, oh yeah, this will be in a cross stitch video, and it says laundry today, naked tomorrow. And I'm going to show you how to make this into something really cute that you can hang on the wall. And I believe this was under $5, so this was at Walmart. So if you want to do that video, then go ahead and purchase this kit. And let me see. Oh, here's another kit that I bought, and this is really pretty. Home Sweet Home. It has antlers with flowers in there. And again, this will be in a video, and I will show you how to turn this into a really cute decorative item to hang in your home. So now let me show you a little surprise piece of fabric that I bought. My husband and I, we like to drive into St. George, Utah. We don't live there, but we go shopping there occasionally in St. George, Utah, and it's about a 40-minute drive for us. And we always meet our really good friends who live in St. George at the Cracker Barrel restaurant. And lately in Cracker Barrel, they've had all this rooster kitchen decor. And my friend Connie really knows how much I love the roosters. So she bought me this really pretty kitchen towel. And so I'm going to just embellishment a little, and it will also be in a video. So I just love this towel, and I was so happy when she gave it to me. And then I was in the Sewing and Quilting Center of Southern Utah. And in this store, they have beautiful quilting fabrics that are really gorgeous, higher quality than what you would get at JOANN's. They also carry a lot of beautiful panel fabric. And this is a piece. There's actually 2 panels to this, and I will be stitching these panels together to make one long giant table runner. And I'm also going to have it in a video. So if you're interested in getting this fabric, I'm going to leave the name of the fabric down below the YouTube screen. Also give you the link to the Sewing and Quilting Center, because maybe they can help you locate this fabric in case you are getting, or if you are interested in getting it. If you live near St. George, Utah, and you haven't been in the Sewing and Quilting Center, it is quite an experience, because not only do they have fabric, they have a giant classroom for teaching all kinds of classes regarding sewing and a lot of quilting classes. Plus, they have an enormous amount of sewing machines to test drive, embroidery machines, professional and non-professional, and they also have classes on how to use those big long arm machines. So if you're ever driving through St. George, Utah, stop in there. It is a real treat. Well, I hope I've inspired you to get some of these items, because I think you're going to have a lot of fun doing these projects. So glad you came to my sewing room. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to go to Facebook and check out my Facebook page. So I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!